Hi, welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, this time, I will say the thing I say every time. This isn't financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. You, and you alone, are going to make that decision like the responsible adult that I know you are. I am but a humble servant here to show you options and interesting things and opportunities. And tonight, I am here to talk to you about Voltix, unlocking computing power. Turns idle CPUs into power for AI and deep-in solutions, powered by Solana. Now, this is a rather unique opportunity that not many of you are going to have the opportunity to grasp on, because there are only 7,335 nodes available. No more. That's all there is. So if you want in on it, you've got to be in fast, because I don't think they're going to last very long. Now, they are live as of February 13th, just about a month at the time of this recording. Wait is over. 500 node keys are available. A first come, first serve basis. So 500 of the just over 7,000. So what are we talking about here? What is Voltix? It's a decentralized network designed to address the global CPU shortage by redistributing unused computational power. It connects devices with idle processing capacity to those requiring high-performance computing for demanding tasks, leveraging cutting-edge technology to maximize efficiency and scalability. So, if you've got a super gaming computer and you're asleep, you could have your computer be used by Voltix and earning you sweet, sweet currency. Now, it uses only 1,225 nodes at Tier 5, which starts from a single Solana. Now, we're going to give you an invite code. Links in the description. The code will be there to get yourself a 5% discount off of that. And there is revenue sharing if you are a node holders. Node holders can earn Solana. They can withdraw every single day. That could be you. And you are going to receive airdrops from their partners. DYOR is going to be the first one. DAO, excuse me. Now, each node key is going to generate revenue sharing rewards equal to 1% of the purchase price per day. So, you buy 100% of one, in just over 3 months, you are generating a profit. Now, holding multiple node keys will increase your daily earnings. So 3 node keys get you an additional 10% per day, 5 an additional 15, 10 or more, and you get an extra 25% per day. So, you own 10 keys, then in 40 days, you are making profit. And there you are. Now, node generators don't only earn revenue in Solana, you also gain enhanced Voltix points rewards. Holding 1 to 5 nodes will increase your Voltix points earning rate by 25%, 6 to 10 boosts it to accumulation by 50%, and holding over 11 or more, rather, will increase your Voltix points earnings with a 100% increase. Now, there is a lot going on here. Let's scroll around here on their little Twitter. All of this going on. Harnessing AI and deep-in. Gorgeous graphic design. Somebody took my advice about changing the matrix color from that green. And now we've got something fresh. We've got this sort of gothic cotton candy color scheme, as I call it, the dark purple and the blue. I am into it. I always have been. Partnership with Stainex? Is there sound? Shucks. One of like two football helmets going together, but that is great. They're partnering with Statex. That's fantastic. Tier 4 node key is officially sold out as of March 6th. That is just a few days ago as of this time. Partnership with Heverland? My goodness. They're partnering with all the big guys, and they are selling like hotcakes, ladies and gentlemen. Get in on there. Now, there are one-time exclusive Voltix points bonuses if what we've already talked about is not enough. You own 3 nodes, you get 100,000 Voltix points, 5 gets you 300,000, and 10 gets you 800,000 Voltix points rewards. More Voltix points means you get increased access to network perks, priority rewards, and additional earning opportunities as the ecosystem expands. And the more of it you hold, the faster your rewards scale. It's just that simple. This looks hot. I've got good vibes. I got a good feeling about this. I like what I'm seeing here. It looks well designed. Everything here is really good looking. My goodness, yes, Voltix node key, connect your wallet, do all the standard stuff. So, there you have it. Links are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.